Boom, what is up, guys? Weed Outdoors, back porch edition. Got a little something different today. We are going to do I guess you could call it a taste test review, but not for me, for him. Nephew Kyle is this is his first time trying an MRE. We have home-style vegetable and sauce with noodles and chicken. Let me get all this stuff gathered up and ready, and we will be back. We got it gathered up. Let's get her open and go through some of the stuff that homeboy is fixing. Get your hands off my knife, boy. Boy wants to lose a damn finger. Okay, we got our heating pad. We have our utensils, spork, salt, pepper, and moist towelette. We have Skittles, and it feels like it's a Skittle bar because I believe they are all melted together. Feel that? Oh, yeah. And they're all melted together for a Skittle bar. Well, that ought to be interesting. We have Thermopack salt water, not packaged for drinking. I'm guessing that is to activate our heating pad. Yes, that's what it's for. Never seen that before, so that's going to be new. You're not getting that yet. Get your hands off for that. We have raisins. You like raisins? I don't know what they are. It's sad, the youth today. We have a fig bar. You like fig bar? Yeah. Do you know what they are? No, I've never seen them before, but they sound good. It is sad, the youth today. We have crackers. You know what a cracker is? He knows what a cracker is. That's good. And our entree is our vegetable and noodles with chicken. That ought to be interesting. So, let's get this a-going. We take our little cardboard cook pot and fold it up, because what this does is you put your entree in there. I'm guessing. And it will sit like that. If you can't, you'll have to do it. Let me find it. Here it is. Okay. And it'll sit it up, but it doesn't matter. We've got other options, because I don't never use these anyway. So here we take our heating pack. We tear the top off per directions. And then we take our entree and slide it right inside. Alright, we got her inside. And nice thing about this is you don't need to use none of your water out of your canteen to heat up your food. You just put in this little salt water pack that they put in, and you're good to go. So let's open that up. And then we will pour it in to activate. And that's all you do. That's an awful little bit of water. I guess it's heating up. I don't know. I can't. Oh yeah, it's heating up. Oh yeah, feel that. Feel that right now on the bottom.
Oh.
It's hot. It's getting hot. So we'll sit here and we'll let this cook while while the nephew tries the other scrumdiddlyumptious items. What do you want to start with? Fig bar, raisins, or the cracker?
Fig bar.
He wants to try the fig bar first. Wise decision, grasshopper. I like fig bars, even if they are like 5 years old. So we have 2 fig bars. One for me, one for him. It's like a cookie. It's a fig Newton.
It's good.
Very good. Very dry. Very dry. Let's get some of our water. I don't think we're gonna need it. Very dry.
It is very
Mm-hmm. This MRE is, if there's a date on it. No, I don't see a date. So who knows how old it is. This is a APAC Ready Meal Self-Heating Emergency Meal Reduced Sodium Menu. So, yeah, that's not bad. I like the Fig Newton. Like I said, it's a little dry. It's drier than what you would get in a store with the regular Fig Newtons, but it is good. You had some water, milk, something like that to go with it. Perfect. Crackers or raisins?
Raisins.
Raisins. Now I can explain to them what a raisin is. A raisin is a dried out grape. Just grapes. Just grapes. I can't believe you don't know what a raisin is. I always knew you were strange. Gotta love raisins.
These are raisins, but they're a little bit.
Raisin's good.
Oh my god.
What? You don't like raisins? Weirdo don't like raisins. More for me.
Not this kind of raisin.
Raisins are raisins, boy. The youth of today. Now.
Oh.
It's not Pop-Tart, it's cracker. It's just a giant, saltine, dry ass cracker. Stacy knew what a cracker was. It's a saltine cracker with no salt. And it's got about the same amount of moisture as that Big Newton. Now, this MRE is not military issue. This is civilian style MRE. And usually you get some kind of jelly or something, some kind of cheese to go with your cracker. And you also usually get like a drink mix. This one didn't come with any of that. Overall, not too bad. Like I said, crackers are decent. Fig Newton is good. I like the raisins. And, I know he's going to like this, so we don't even have to try that. So far, so good. Let's, we'll open this. He's going to need that. I just keep throwing stuff on that microphone. Keep forgetting it's there. That sucker hot. Touch that. No, don't do that. Don't make it spill. Touch it. Grab that. It's hot. I need some water.
open it.
and pack it dry. When this gets all heated up, I'll bring you guys back for the official taste test. Stick around. Would y'all please do me a favor while you're sitting here waiting on our food to heat up? Hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the notification button. That way you're made aware next time video drops. Check us out on Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok at The Sweet Outdoors. We appreciate every one of you guys. Stick around. Alright, I think we're heated up enough to give it a taste test. I mean, we literally just had dinner, so this is more about a taste test than actually eating the dang thing. I've eaten different MREs before. This one, it's a little warm. We'll open it from. See, this one has got the little notches on the side so that you can open it up this way. And this is the bowl.
Oh.
You're going to eat it right out of the pouch. And hopefully it's good.
Oh.
That looks like dog food.
I know.
Smell it.
Oh.
It don't look or smell appetizing. But then again, it's not heated all the way up there. Once you stir it up, it does look a little bit better. See? It looks like it's not completely heated. If it was heated up a lot better, a lot more, I'm sure it'd be a lot more appetizing. It'd separate a little bit. Alright. Let's get some chicken, some pasta. Alright. Here is Kyle's first taste of an MRE. No?
Like me with chicken.
No real flavor to it?
No.
Let's see here. It does not look good at all, guys. I mean, look. Let's just...
I'm like, oh,
Shit tastes like an old bath mat. That is not good at all. Mm-mm.
yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, I'd prefer to... It's from what it looks like, it's supposed to look like a chicken noodle type meal with with the gravy and the broth and everything. It probably tastes more appetizing, like I said, heated up all the way through. Maybe add a little bit of water. The salt and the pepper might make it tolerable, but this stuff is not. Mm-mm. I'd rather have chicken soup from the Dollar Tree. This is horrible. Ugh, nasty.
What if it was cold?
Fail. It is old. It's about 4 or 5 years old. But the thing with the MRE, they've got like a 25-year shelf life. So that's what they're made for.
I really do this.
But yeah, I'd rather eat them dry ass crackers than that stuff. Nasty. I've had the panini pasta and tomato sauce. I've had the ravioli, tomato sauce, and those tend to be pretty decent. That right there, yeah. I think that was the only one we had of that flavor, right?
Yeah.
Good. I ain't got no more of them. Good. Because it'd have to be a dire emergency for me to eat all that again. Hope you like this, guys. Give a shout out to my boy Kyle. You ain't supposed to clap for yourself, you arrogant little brat. Boy's got some nerve on me, I tell you what. Anyway, Hope you enjoyed this. Get ready for some good videos coming up, guys. I got a couple more shelter builds planned. I got another Chef 5-minute meal taste test coming up with my boy the Thirsty Camel. Y'all can look forward to that later in the week. And of course, stay tuned for Thirsty Thursdays coming up as well. Hope you enjoyed this. Do me a favor. Be safe. God bless.
Get outside, people.
You know.